And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a compass icon. At first we'll create the circle. Just hold Shift and Control when you use the ellipse tool. Click on the X to get rid of the fill, hold Shift, click on the black color swatch to give it a stroke. Now we'll create a diamond icon. Just use a rectangle, hold Control, click on it again. Now you can rotate it, hold Control when you do. And now transform it from right to left. Maybe do something like this. Once again, get rid of the fill, add a stroke. Make it a bit smaller, holding Shift and Control. Select it all, Ctrl A, then Object, Align and Distribute, and put it in center. We'll have to take care of the stroke, because it's different for both elements. Just set it to, for example, millimeters, under fill and stroke, width, and I'll use 15 in this case, that's fine. Now we need the snapping enabled, and activate these two icons for the rotation center and the center of objects. If you can't see rulers, press Ctrl R, and then you can drag these guides out of there and they should snap to the center, just like this. If you want to resize the element in center, uncheck this icon up here. That way the stroke, it stays at 15 millimeters, even if you size the element down. Now use the Bezier tool, follow your guides, put it to 15 once again, and give it a round cap. You might have to reposition it slightly, or Control when you do. Now this little element is selected, so the small line. I press Ctrl D on it, then I hold Shift and click on the circle, so both of these elements are selected. I click on it again and now I rotate it holding Control. I repeat that 2 times. And now we only have to rotate the element in center. Once again, double click on it and hold Control when you do. If you want to resize that element, it's a good idea to not do it like this. Instead, just rotate it backwards into this position and then resize it. Afterwards we can go to Edit and delete the guides. And if you're happy with the result, just press Ctrl A and then Ctrl G to group it. And you've got your compass icon created in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.